The in-app announcement is a powerful way to deliver information about new or forgotten feature to your users while they are actively using your app. For important news, create a modal card or pop-up banner from our AI-powered template. For regular news, use regular banners. From the announcement, direct your users to a new feature discovery through a CTA button with step-by-step tour to navigate your users through the new section. Inside the new section, display a welcome section card and a hint to users. Unlike the welcome section card, which explains the purpose of the new section and is displayed to your users only once, hints set in the section shall be permanent. Hints are important support elements dedicated to your platform's sections and allow your users to relaunch the tour, video tutorial, or article from your knowledge base or external page whenever they want to learn. The Life Ring button serves as a central repository for all your support content, documentation, and communication channels. In the case of important news, we recommend displaying the step-by-step tour or article about the news section directly in the Life Ring button and also in its news subsection. If there is a more complex or important feature to teach your users about, we recommend placing an educational checklist with feature tours in your platform for promotion days. Once the announcement is skipped or dismissed, keep promoting your feature temporarily through other elements, such as external hint, which we recommend placing on the new section in your platform. You can use either a flashing beacon or a personalized hint made of any icon or symbol you select. When the official in-app promotion ends after about a week, send a kind reminder in the form of a funny tour card to those users who didn't click on the section, using our custom rule feature. There is an important feature launch. Display a short survey to your users after promotion days, asking if they have used this feature and how they find it, and validate its implementation through user in-app feedback.